Ever wondered how to make a delicious and healthy breakfast with just a few ingredients? Well, wonder no more. Today we're walking through a simple, nutritious, and mouth-watering recipe: eggs with onion and green pepper. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need a tablespoon of butter, a cup of chopped onions, a cup of sliced green bell pepper, 8 extra large eggs, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Now let the culinary magic begin. Start by melting your butter over medium heat. While the butter melts, take this time to chop your vegetables. Precision isn't key here. A rough chop will do just fine. Once your butter has melted, pour in your olive oil and add the vegetables. The sizzling sound of the vegetables hitting the pan, music to a cook's ears. Stir your vegetables around, allowing them to sauté until the onion is translucent and the peppers are tender. Next, crack your 8 eggs into separate containers. Whisk them well. We're looking for a nice, even consistency. Now it's time to bring everything together. Pour your whisked eggs into the pan, coating the vegetables. Gently scramble the mixture until the eggs reach your desired level of doneness. Continue to stir until your eggs are cooked just the way you like them. Serve up this delightful dish and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Voila! You've just created a delicious and healthy breakfast with just a few simple ingredients. This recipe, eggs with onion and green pepper, not only tastes fantastic, but it also packs a nutritional punch. It's high in protein, courtesy of the eggs, and loaded with essential vitamins and minerals from the onions and peppers. So now you know, a wholesome, tasty breakfast doesn't require complicated ingredients or hours in the kitchen. With just a few simple steps and some basic ingredients, you can start your day on a delicious note. Enjoy!